Okay, fine. So in this video, what we'll do is we'll talk about how you can do keyword research using Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO is an amazing software that we're using everyday basis, and I will tell you that people across the globe, if they're into SEO, they are using the software which is Surfer SEO. It's an amazing software. It does a lot of work. ये Surfer SEO काफी सारी चीजें आसान बना देता है. The best part of the software is you're gonna have a perspective of a very data-driven SEO strategies, because if data is not involved, it's again very difficult to optimize your content or optimize any kind of activity that you do on digital platform. Fine, so SEO Server is an amazing software. I'll take you to SEO Server now, and I'll quickly show you how you can use SEO Server, especially for finding a tropical authority or keywords. And so let us log into Surfer SEO, and you can see my whiteboard. So I'm logged into my Surfer SEO account. Now keep this in mind, this is a very premium software and this is somewhat costly. But if you're paying attention to search engine optimization and if you're creating content, there's going to be a game changer in your business as well. So I'll go to the SEO Server. You can see that SEO Server. And I'll go here. This is an amazing software. You can see the pricing of the software starts with, let us check the pricing. It does a lot of feature. You can see that pricing. You can see that it starts with $14 a month, $19 a month, $119 a month. So if you're paying attention to SEO and if you're creating content, especially blogs, and if you want to optimize blogs for higher search engine ranking, it's very important that you must be working on this Surfer SEO. So what I'll do is I will quickly log into my software Surfer SEO, and I'll show you one quick feature how you can use Surfer SEO, especially for doing finding keyword and keyword research. But at the same time, I can tell you Surfer has got a lot of features, straight from content auditor to SERP analyzer, lot of features coming in. And what I'll do is I'll quickly log it. So you can see that I'm logging to my paid version as of now. So let us see this tool in action. And you can see that they do have a lot of features like keyword research, content auditor, audit, domain, and SERP analyzer. This is important. And what I'm going to do is I'll be starting with keyword research. You can see that keyword research. And let's say, for example, I want to optimize it for, let's say, SEO course in Ahmedabad, for example. So let's say if I search SEO course in Ahmedabad, let's say, for example, if you want to rank for SEO course in Ahmedabad, create keyword research. And what this tool is doing is this tool will give me a lot of ideas of the search queries. And they will give me, so I'll show it to you. You can see that SEO course in Ahmedabad is the same word which I've done a few days back. And you can see that this is the report coming from clusters, 77 clusters for the main topic. And you can see that you can filter keywords on the basis of intent, because I can tell you intent is something very important. Intent is the game changer. So I'll tell you, if you want to rank your website higher in the search engine, try to chase intention and then keyword, right? Because ज़्यादातर लोग ये मानते हैं कि when it comes to keyword, when you ask people कि अच्छा आपको website rank करना है, and people always talk about keyword is very important. I understand keyword is very important. For me, intention is important because there are a lot of people who are creating a lot of content and they all are optimizing the same keywords. So this is important. Now you can see that monthly search volume is 1850. So if I click open detailed view, you can see that these are all clusters. So what a cluster is, they combine all keywords on the basis of intent. You can see the filter is intent, or let's say informational, which is important because a lot of searches happening on the Google is informational search queries. So you can see that this is local, right? So local means someone is having a very local intention. And if I click here, you can see that. So it's giving me amazing results. Web development in Ahmedabad, that's your course in Ahmedabad. So web designing course in Ahmedabad, this has got very good search volume. 5180 is the monthly search volume if I combine all these keywords happening from India. And you can see that the Ahmedabad word is coming. It means these are all local search queries, which is important. Graphic design course in Ahmedabad. And then digital marketing course in Surat. Computer class in Baroda. So they are giving a very good idea, based on the search queries. You can see digital marketing course in Baroda. This Bangalore, this is 9420, and they're showing me it's somewhat difficult to rank, but okay. Customer investigation. You can see that informational. You can see that these are all informational search query. PHP Training Institute, customer investigation. People are searching details. You can see that. So best Anglo courses, SEO company in Ahmedabad, very nice search volume, 5720. SEO training in Bangalore, nice. And if I go deep inside these clusters, open detail view, you can see that they're showing me, how much traffic, potential traffic I'm going to have, which is 427. Keyword difficulty 7, somewhat difficult. Uh, SEO course in Ahmedabad, training in Ahmedabad, the training SEO jobs in Ahmedabad. So you can see that as of now, when we search for SEO course in Ahmedabad, so if I show you SEO course in Ahmedabad, if I search, so this is important word. Anyways, this is growing. You can see that Bandwidth is coming at number 1 as of now. So the point is, what I want to make sure that I must be targeting these this 4 words, which is important. You can see that first word is your course in Ahmedabad, second is your training in Ahmedabad, and you can see that it's your jobs in Ahmedabad. So I need to have a content. Keep this in mind if I want to rank, but that's okay. And you can see that I'm getting some idea, which is for digital marketing course in Ahmedabad. This is also a very potential word. Digital marketing course in Ahmedabad. You can see the content writing certification. People are searching for this as well. These are all most relevant based on the input which I've given to Surfer SEO. So these are all clusters. This is an amazing feature because it helps you to write blog, it helps you to write content. This is so important. Digital marketing companies in Bangalore, digital marketing company in Ahmedabad, AWS course duration. So we can search for any word here, and what Surfer SEO will do is Surfer SEO will show me clusters. And how you're going to use these clusters, probably can help. You can use these clusters in order to create content. And this is again very important because if people are searching, you need to have that content uh, on those topics on your website. This is important because let's say, for example, if you want to rank for SEO jobs in Ahmedabad, you must have a content which is targeting SEO jobs in Ahmedabad. At the same time, it's not only about the keyword, it's also about intention. You need to understand your audience in a better way, and you need to create a content. We will do a search sub analyzer as well. We're gonna see who is ranking on first page and second page and third page, and we'll try to identify why they are ranking. This is something which is very important that we need to look into it. So digital marketing course in Gurgaon looks good, but this is just a small video which I'm sharing it to you. So if you have never used, such a Surfer SEO, but the only point Surfer SEO does not give you any free trial. You will have to have use a credit card, but I think their results are amazing. So I highly recommend go and check this. And if you have any query, please do let me know. And I really wish you all the best. I can tell you one thing is very important, whether you have any kind of business, whether you're pumping a lot of money on paid ad, because I can tell you that paid ad, it depends on a lot of factors. Paid ads are very, very, very strategic, but you have to put money into paid ads. And what I've observed is if you're not good with paid ads, probably you'll spend money. And if you're not getting positive ROI, what will happen is you will stop immediately. At the same time, so I'm not discouraging paid ads. What I'm talking about is you put money, if you're starting business, get into paid advertising and do it in a right way. Fine. So this is something very important. So when I'm saying do it in a right way, it has to be done in a right way. This is important. So the point is do it in a right way. And I'm very sure, when you do it the right way, you will get the results. So ये थोड़ा सा आपको समझना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. And you work on organic, because I can tell you that it's very important that you must have a good visibility online, because I can tell you customers who are reaching you, probably they have searched about you or about your product on Google search engine, and this is very important. When people are searching, you will have to have on Google search engine. This is an amazing skill set. And I can tell you this is the most demanding. I've trained thousands of students, and my students are working in some of the top companies across the globe with very good package. So the point is, before you start working on organic results, this is a very good tool which I'm showing it to you. Very good strategy I'm talking about in this video. I wish you all the best. Let's take action. Let's dream big. And I wish you all the best. And take care. Thank you so much.